Hello. Today we're going to talk about dividing fractions. When dividing fractions, you have to remember that if you have a mixed number, we need to change the mixed number into an improper fraction. To do this, we'll multiply the whole number again by the denominator and add the numerator. And we'll always keep the original denominator. So when dividing fractions, we'll change the mixed number into an improper fraction. Then we'll change the division problem into a multiplication problem. To do this, we'll keep the first fraction. We'll change the division sign into a multiplication sign and flip the second fraction. Flip is the same as thinking reciprocal. Once we've changed division into the multiplication problem, we'll multiply the numerators and then we'll multiply the denominators. Lastly, we'll simplify the answer by reducing it to its lowest terms. And always remember to be sure to read your instructions to determine if the answer should be a simplified fraction, which is proper or improper fraction, or a mixed number. Now let's look at an example. In this example, we're asked to divide and write our answer in simplest form. So the first thing that we have to do is change our mixed numbers into improper fractions. For 8 2/3, we'll multiply the 8 times 3 and add 2, keeping our denominator of 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 plus 2 will give us 26 over the denominator of 3. For 6 4/5, we'll multiply 6 times 5 and add 4, keeping our denominator of 5. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus 4 is 34 over 5. So our new problem will be 26 over 3 divided by 34 over 5. So now we'll change the division problem into a multiplication problem. We'll keep the first fraction, 26 over 3, change division into multiplication, and then we'll find the reciprocal of the second fraction, which means we'll flip the second fraction. So we'll have 5 over 34. Once these changes are made, we'll multiply the numerators together and our denominators together. 26 times 5 is 130. 3 times 34 is 102. The last thing we'll have to do is to simplify our answer. We have 130 over 102. Because the numerator and denominator are both even numbers, we can divide both of the numbers by 2. So 130 divided by 2 is 65. 102 divided by 2 is 51. So our final answer is 65 over 51.